Isa sa mga downsides ng pagda-download ng mga apps from Gbox or Gspace is minsan nakaka-encounter tayo ng mga problems like delayed notifications even with basic apps like Facebook Messenger. Sa video na to, I'm going to help you resolve your Messenger notification issues on your Huawei phone. A quick reminder lang na 100% working lahat ng steps by the time I upload this video. If ever na may mga steps or links na ayaw nang gumana, normal po yan. Kasi workaround lang to lahat. So, pwedeng today gumagana, pero in a couple of weeks or months, hindi na. Huwag kayong mag-alala, kasi nag-upload ako ng mga updated tutorials regularly. So, don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated. Okay, with that being said, start na tayo. Una natin gagawin is to go to settings. Then swipe up and click on system and updates. Sa pinakataas, click on software update para ma-check kung updated ba sa latest version yung software na gamit natin. Pag okay na lahat, let's open our Huawei app gallery. Then from there, let's download the Facebook app. Make sure na ito yung version na i-install nyo, which is from Fibonacci. Pagtapos na, click open and then proceed by logging in your registered email and password. Now let's open our Petal search app and then search natin Facebook Messenger. Once again, yung Messenger app from Fibonacci yung i-install natin. Once that's done, let's go back to settings and then click on notifications and status bar. Click nyo to, and then sa next page, click this to show app notifications. Sa list ng apps, hanapin natin yung Messenger app, and then click on this arrow. Finally, on the next page, make sure na nakatoggle tong dalawang options na to allow notifications. So that concludes our tutorial, and I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.